Hello, my ICTA students. This is your display review number 2, Point Douglas. Now, it says, first of all, key all the text in. And that's what I did. I keyed all the text in, and that's what you should always do, and you can format after, okay? All right, then it tells you to format the heading, and it asks you to use a text effect, font color, bold, italics, and so on. So, first of all, let's size it up. And again, just use your judgment here. And we want to go to text effects. Now, I don't know which one you're going to choose, but whatever you choose is fine. All right. And then now, remember under text effects, we have outline. So show me an outline. So I'm going to choose, oh, we're going in the green theme. So I'll choose outline to be green. And then I want to go to text effects. And my line looks pretty well thick enough, so I don't think I'll change it. Now a shadow, we want to put a shadow on. Oh, there's a shadow I like. Hold on here, where'd it go? There, I'll go with that one. Okay, and I want to go back to shadow, and I want to go down to shadow options so that I can choose a color for my shadow. And I think I'll go with orange so that you can see it. And now you know that you can make it more transparent, or you can size it up a little bit. You can blur it, you can angle it, whatever you decide to do, and the distance you can decide. Okay, so you've done that. And then go to reflection. And you're all pretty good at finding some type of reflection that you like. And then go to glow. And we want to have a glow. Maybe I want a green glow. Yeah, I think I want a green glow. All right, or this glow. No, I think go with this one. All right, so that's what I'm going to go with. And we've already got bold on it. We could put italics on it. And it said put on expanded spacing. So go to your font, dialog box, launch your arrow. And you want to go to advanced. And let's put in 5 points of expanded spacing. See if I've got room to do that. No, I haven't, and it's too much. It doesn't look good. So I'm going to go back here, and I'm going to put in 3 points with what I've selected. Okay, that all fits on one line. I'm going to center it, Control E, and I made it look good in what I thought, and you would do the same thing. All right. Then we have anniversary specials. So let's center that line, size it up. You know, not as big as your heading, of course, and you were to bold and italicize it. And let's put, now see if I told you to put anything on there. No, you can pretty well do what you want. So on this one, I think I'm just going to choose the gold here, anniversary specials, and I'm going to change the color, the fill color, outline, and I'll put green just to include the green here. Okay, so it follows in the same suit as what I had. Okay, and then it told us to put bullets on these 3 items. So you're going to select them. And remember, you go to your bullet button. You say define new bullet. And we're going to go to symbol, because it told you to use a symbol. And we want to go to wingdings. So you're going to come down here to, no, webdings. Go to webdings. And there's the tropical tree. Okay, so we're going to use the tropical tree there. Say OK. And it told you to go to the font button here. Remember, make it size 12, and we want it to be green. Okay, so get a nice green and say OK. All right, there it is. Now, it also told you to put on borders and shading. So we're going to go to borders and shading. Pick out a nice line that you like. I'm going to pick this one, and I'm going to go to green. Okay, I'll try you staying in the same tones of green. All right, and did it say shading? Yes, it said shading. So go to shading, and remember, stay out of the fill. You choose style, 15%, and you choose your color green. And you have to be able to see the dots. If you can see the dots, you've done it correctly. Okay, when we do the bullets, when we have a large bullet like this, we need to leave 3 ticks. So bring this hanging indent and drag it in one more tick. So you've got 1, 2, 3. Now it said bring the left indent in 1 inch. So point to your left indent and drag it in to 1 inch. Now that you've come in 1 inch, remember the first line indent here has to be at 1 inch, and then you have your 3 ticks. Now, if the left side comes in 1 inch, the right side must come in 1 inch. So that's what you should have there. All right, and now it said add a page border. Okay, so here we're going to add a page border. So let's go to borders and shading, and we want to go to page border. Now once again, you can choose any one that you want. I'm going to choose this one because it's green, and it's size 31. Remember how that's too large. We want it somewhere between 18 and 20 is good. So I'm going to go with 20. Okay, so there. Now I want to go to view one page. All right, so you can see this is too small, so I'm going to highlight this and size it up until it looks good. Okay, and you can see these are too small too, so this has got to be sized up, not that much, about like that. And these two lines were to be centered, and size them up. Okay, and they were to be bold for sure, and I think italics, so Control I. And I think we could afford to put one space in here and one space in here, just so that it looks better. All right, and now we're missing a picture here. All right, so first of all, though, let's save your work. Go Control S to save. And what we want to do is I want you to go to the internet, and we're going to get a picture. All right, so we're going to go to the internet, and we are going to go to a new tab, and we're going to search for image travel. Now, you might find something else. That's okay. Okay, so let's see some more travel images. I can't take too long. Okay, I think I'll just go here. Where are you going? Okay. You can pick out, or maybe this one. This might be all right. Okay, and no, it's not that clear. I want to go back. I'm going to try this one. Okay, that's a better one. All right, so right-click, remember, save image as. And now you've got to go to your folder. All right, so we're going to go to your name and ICT slot 4 and your pictures folder. And this is going to be our travel picture. So travel and save it. All right, I'll close out of here because I don't need that now, and I don't need this one. Now I want to go back to Word. Okay, so here's my document, and I want to go to Insert Pictures, and now we have to go to your folder. Okay, so we've got to go to your U drive, so make sure you're in your U drive, go to ICT slot 4, and go to Pictures, and you should see Travel, and there's my travel, so I'm going to insert it. All right, we want to size it down, and size it down some more here. And now here, remember, we're going to put square on it. And let's just review this, okay? Remember, if it's square, it pushes the text over. But if I say in front of text, that means it goes in front of the text and doesn't push the text over. So you maybe forgot about that. This one can be okay square, because we're not pushing anything. We're moving this down, and I got to have a little more room here, so we're going to put in a little more room. So now you should have Point Douglas Travel incorporated. You've got your picture. Now let's go to Format and choose a frame to go with this. So whatever one you think, actually I think that one looks pretty good. I'm going to go with that one, and I need one more enter here. Okay, so we've got Point Douglas Travel. And we've got your picture, anniversary specials. This maybe could be a little bit larger. And you see how I'm tweaking it as we go. And that's what I expect you've got to start to visualize to say, does this look good? All right. And then just put your name at the bottom, just in small. And the same with your path and file name. You're going to go to Insert, you're going to go to Quick Parts, and you're going to go to Field and Document Information, File Name, add the path. And then remember, Shift Home and size it down 1, 2, 3. Okay, that's good. All right, so that looks pretty good. We'll leave it like that, save it, and we'll stop there.